Morning, everybody. It's Dave here, Holiday for Two, and this is what I call Camper Cleanup Day. I'm just finishing up my morning cup of coffee, and I'm sitting out here cleaning the camper up, getting ready for our next trip. Because, you know, when we get off of trip, we usually come home, and it's like Sunday afternoon, and we just unload the refrigerator, take the dirty clothes out, and lock it up, and then come out later on and do some extra cleanup for our next trip. It's really convenient and nice to do that. But I want to talk about Quartzsite because we just got back from Quartzsite about a week and a half ago. If you are in Quartzsite and you plan to go to Quartzsite and you really are like looking for rocks and minerals and different kinds of things, you will like this. There's a place, it's about 11 miles east of Quartzsite called the Gold Nugget Mine. So take the I-10, go east about 11 miles, and you'll see a road that says Gold Nugget Mine Road, and you want to turn and go south of the freeway. Now, once you pull off the freeway, go about a quarter mile, maybe half a mile off the road to the south, and you'll see a large boondock area where you can boondock camp. This is all BLM land, and it's free boondocking land, so you can pull in anywhere there. You'll probably see people camping there already, and there's lots of space. But if you turn off the road about a half a mile and go south on the dirt road there's a dirt road that takes you south for about a mile, and you can go to the Golden Nugget Mine. And then you'll take that dirt road about a mile and you'll pull up a little hill and you'll see an old house on the hill. And you'll know you're there when you see that old house. You can park around that house. And it's funny because there's actually people can camp there. Sometimes people pull their trailers up there and just camp and dry camp. But Golden Nugget Mine is one of those mines. You know, Arizona has a history of mining. My grandfather worked for the mines in San Manuel and Winkleman and Tiger Mine. And so my family has a history of mining that goes way back. And that's why Arizona's called the king of copper. So mining in Arizona is one of those things. So if you take a trip almost anywhere in Arizona, there are places where there's lots of mines in the past. So in this video, I'm going to take you on a little trip to the Golden Nugget Mine in Quartzsite, Arizona. It's about 11 miles east of Quartzsite. And if you have the time and you're there anyway, take a trip out there and spend a little time and look around. But watch out, because there's lots of holes in the ground. So you want to be careful where you're stepping. But it has a history. One of the rich histories of mining in Arizona is the Golden Nugget Mine near Quartzsite. So let's go.
So someday when my ship comes in, I know just what we'll do. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two.
We spent a few days at La Posta Tyson Wash long-term visitor area, and my other video about Quartzsite, boondocks, and rocks will explain more of the boondocking situation. But we had a good time, and we wanted to take a trip on the day. One of the days we were out there, we wanted to take a day trip out to Gold Nugget Mine. I know I keep calling it Gold Nugget Mine, but we got to the Gold Nugget Mine Road and turned off the freeway. And I wanted to check out some of the boondocking spots. So this is some of the boondocking area that I explained in the video off to the side. Lots of area if you want to do some boondocking here. There was also a guy pulled off in the wash up here. You might see him right there. I'm not sure I'd want to be boondocking in the wash, but of course there was no rain in the forecast, so you want to keep your eye on that though. Now the road's really smooth, and in fact, if you have a low profile vehicle like a small SUV or something, a car even, I don't think you'll have any problem getting out to the Gold Nugget Mine on this road. It's really smooth, other than a few bumps, but not really bad. And I did see some trailers and some motorhomes parked off to the right side up here on the road. There's some areas where you can pull off to the side and boondock. So there's lots of areas out here to camp and dry camp. And it's about a mile back to the Gold Nugget Mine house. I don't know what you really call it. I guess it's the old house where somebody probably lived who was taking care of the mine and doing that stuff. There was a fella out there who was parked in his camper. He left right after we got there, and I guess he was going to go do some ATV riding with his ATV. But it was kind of funny because there's a nice little platform right there with a concrete area where you can park a trailer, and he took advantage of it. And it's like an, oh boy, this kind of reminds me of the Thule mine. Somebody lived in here at one time, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of your fixer-upper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my, yeah, the roofs. This is the living room. And, oh, there's got your kitchen. This is your kitchen, I guess. There's your refrigerator. That's an oldie. And that was probably the living room right there. Bedrooms. Poncho Arsenal was here, 7/23/20. All right. Needs a new roof. And your backyard. What's this over here? Peekaboo. Let's go take a look at the mine. In a minute we'll walk up and take a look at the mine. It was only a mile off the freeway. That's not bad. The freeway's back there. And this is the, I guess this would actually be the Gold Nugget Mine, the main mine shaft. And it's up on a little hill, and you see all the ore that's been dug out over the years. And I was kind of surprised when I got up to it. This hole's pretty deep. I'm going to guess 50 feet at least. I tossed a little rock in there. And it this must be the mine. Aha. Yo. It's a ways down. Oh, that's deep. That's deep. That hole goes down a ways. I wonder what these little red bottles mean. Probably danger. Because that hole's pretty deep. It goes down about 50 feet. At least. And I guess if you see little piles of rocks around, like little monuments around, that means somebody staked a claim in that area. But watch where you step, because there's some holes around here. Oh, there's another one. It's like another little area. You can ride your razors all around here. Up on the hill. There's another trail that goes over. I followed that with the drone a minute ago. It goes up and over. Find any diamonds yet? Lots of quartz though. Look at it all. Oh, this is cool. It's like quartz.
No, I saw that one. I picked it up.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I picked it up and thought about taking that one. Oh, no, this one. This is the one I'm talking about. Check this one out. It's got 2 bands of quartz on it.
Oh yeah, look at that. 2 bands. Very good.
So here's what I found.
My wife wanted to show off some of the rocks that she collected, and just interesting to look at the picture. You'll see the veins where the quartz is in the rock, and that is an indicator Whenever you see quartz veining like that, that's a good indicator that there could be gold in the area. Now, I'm not a geologist, but from what people have told me and what I've learned from other people, that if there's quartz in the area, there's a pretty good sign. That's a pretty good sign that there's going to be gold somewhere around there. It has, somehow the two go together. So I hope you get a chance to go out there and see the Gold Nugget Mine, and I hope you like this video. Please hit subscribe, like, and share, and have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Bye.